What's the meaning of Buster? Buster. Buster.
Buster. Buster. The word buster can have multiple meanings depending on its context. As a noun, it can refer to someone or something that breaks or destroys things, such as a window buster tool used by firefighters. It can also be used as a nickname for a person, as in the case of the famous American actor, Buster Keaton. As a verb, it can mean to put an end to something, or to make something fail, such as busting a deal. Overall, the meaning of buster is usually associated with breaking or stopping something, often in a forceful or abrupt manner.